Yes, hello children. Today we are going to see our English Standard 4th English lesson number 15, that is a collage. Okay, today I am going to teach you a collage. Now in this chapter, see children, what it is given here, a collage is made. Now what is the meaning of collage? See here, you can see here. A collage is an artistic arrangement of paper cutouts, pictures, photographs, text, etc. You can make a collage on a single topic, or you may bring together various topics and ideas in a collage. Now what is collage? Collage is an artistic arrangement of paper cutouts, pictures. See, you can see the pictures. Okay, some text are there. The text have been written. Then various different pictures you can collect and you can make a collage. Now in this chapter it is given a collage of this is given about Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. So all information is gathered about Sachin Tendulkar and it is pasted in an artistic way. Okay, the cutouts have been pasted in an artistic way. Okay, so here what it is given, all information is given, the date of birth is given, then first test match, when his first test match was there, then his centuries, then half centuries, then runs, test centuries, test runs, etc. Then world records, what world record he has made, it is given. Okay, first player to score a double century in men's ODI, played the highest number of test and ODI matches. So like this different information is given in this collage. This collage is made up for Sachin Tendulkar. Then honors, what are the awards, how many awards he got, that it is given, which awards he got: Arjun Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, then Padma Shri, Maharashtra Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, etc. Then here it is given about information like touching farewell speech. Okay, the speech which Sachin Tendulkar told. Sachin thanked all the people who had helped him in his life, his parents, his family members, relatives, friends, his coach, doctors, trainers, managers, media, and all the people who supported him. Then his professor, okay, Professor Ramesh Tendulkar, Sachin's father, died when the 1999 World Cup matches were going on. Okay, his father, Sachin Tendulkar father, when he died on 1999, and at that time the World Cup matches were going on. So that's why Sachin returned to India just for a little while and returned immediately. Okay, he scored a century, unbeatable, that is 140 runs off 101 balls in the next match against Kenya. Okay, so this is all information given about the Sachin Tendulkar, and one of his admirer, a young admirer of Sachin Tendulkar, had made this collage about the life and work of her favorite cricketer. You can also make a collage about your favorite sports person or any other personality. Okay children, like this here the collage is made up of Sachin Tendulkar. Same way I have made one collage for you people to show. So let's start. I will show you the collage what I have made. Okay children, so with this, by seeing this collage, it would be more clear to you about the collage. In this way children, you can take any topic, you can select any topic and you can make a collage. Okay, you have to take the papers, you have to take the cutout from the newspapers or from whenever information you are getting, you can collect that and you can make a collage. So let's start. I will show you the collage. Okay, yes children, see, this is your collage. I have made one collage for you. So I have taken the topic. See, I have taken the topic COVID-19. So in this way I have made the collage. Okay, I have taken the cuttings from the newspaper and I have done a collage. So see, you can see the cutting, the paper cutouts I have collected from the newspaper. Okay, see the cutouts, different cutouts I have taken and I have arranged it. Okay, photographs, some photographs are there, some text are there. Then I have done in an artistic way arrangement. Okay, so see, you can see the texts are there, pictures are there, and how it is been arranged. So in this way, children, you can select any topic and you can make a collage. Okay, yes children, I hope you people understood the collage. Like this way you can select any topic and you can do your collage.